What's up, guys, and welcome back to Sarah and Andre's YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making the TikTok viral sensation egg sandwich. Okay, but before this video starts, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time that we drop new content, which is every single day, 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. All right, so let's get into this. So the ingredients that you're going to need: I have some bacon. You're gonna need some cheese, some butter, some eggs, and some bread. All right, the eggs are in the pan, and now we just gotta let it cook. And yeah. All right, time to lay down our cheese. Boom. This over one more time. Lay down our bacon. Time to lay down our bread. I don't know which way I should put this. Go like that. And go like that. So now the hardest part is to flip this. So I'll get back to you guys whenever it's flipped. All right, so it cracked just a little bit, but we will be fine. All right, now that the sides are all folded in, we're going to cap it off. Yeah? Well, try to at least. All right, so we have accomplished the flip, and yeah, so we're gonna let it toast up on each side and get a little golden brown. So there you have it. Let's give this a slice. Jeez. All right. Looks pretty good, and let's give it a try. Pretty damn good. If you made it this far into the video, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until tomorrow, keep on rocking, keep living, keep grinding, keep hustling. You know the rest. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.